This Lenovo came in with the problem being that the HDMI cable will not come out of the socket on the side of the computer. It's just wedged in there tight. Doesn't want to come loose. But the thing that is disturbing is this right here. That indicates a lot of heat buildup underneath the bottom cover. And you'll notice the feet are gone. No feet, which means you put this on your lap and you get no ventilation. So I'm going to open this up and see what we find. This right here is where all that heat's coming from. There's a chip underneath here, but look at how clogged this is with dust and dirt. That's really bad. That's just causes it to heat up a lot. And then what's wrong with this is yet to be determined, but there's a dead bug in here. And what's keeping this connector wedged in there is a mystery yet, but we're about to find out. Well, problem solved. The problem wound up being this connector right here. But you can't really see it very well, but if you look at the side of it, see if you can see that. This little assembly right here sticks up above the surface. It's supposed to be like this one here, where it's flush. This little assembly right in here is not supposed to stick up. That's supposed to be flush, and it's been lifted up somehow. I'm not sure what caused that to happen, but it was wedged in there tight. I had to be able to depress that with a screwdriver to be able to pull it out. So that's what caused this problem. The air comes in here and comes through and comes out of these vents, and if it's right up against your body, it can't flow air and it will overheat. In this case, it had a lot of dust and dirt that had to be blown out as well, but now it's a happy computer. Works great.